Christmas Day, but I asked him that we send some food with my friend.
To the old people.
They're not old people anyway, they're working to the old people. Kasi,
The old people.
nagawa ako ng macaroni, chicken macaroni salad. Tapos, tinanong ko siya kung may duty ba o wala. May duty silang tatlo. So sabi ko, we're gonna pop in there and then just to, send the food. Kasi basically, pag Christmas talaga, mag-aano kami sa kanila mag-party. Since ngayon now, hindi allowed na mag-party. So, oh my God, shaken. So, wala lang, bigyan ko lang siya ng macaroni salad sa pinagtrabahoan niya, i-drop by namin. Nag-hesitate nga kaming lumabas kasi bawal lalabas ngayon. Ngayon, ang nangyari, sabi ko sa kanya, pwede bang lumabas? Sabi niya, we're gonna drop off that food so quick. And then, otherwise, sisitahin ng pulis kung saan pupunta kasi bawal, di ba? So, see you later, guys! Merry Christmas! After the car, ayan. Ayan. Ang lamig dito sa labas, guys, sobra. Saka may tatlong nakapila yata. Pangalawa kami o pangatlo ba? So, yun. Kasi nung nagpunta kami sa Norwich, guys, yung tires niya walang hangin. So, pinaglagyan namin. Nung pabalik namin, ganun pa rin. Kasi itong sasakyan na to, laging nagsasalita pag merong something na madetect niya. Halimbawa, yung kulang ng air yung tire, sasabihan niya your tires na kulang ng air. Tapos pag hindi nasara yung pintong maayos, sabi niya, magsasabi din pag medyo malapit sa ibang car, umiiyak siya. Napaka high-tech talaga itong sasakyan na to. Kaya he loves it so much. Even me, I like it, really comfy. We've tried, what car we've tried the one again when we got a hired car? You know when we had an accident and they give us a car, what car is that?
It's a nice one. I know you had a Jag before.
Oh yeah, Jag. I'm not really like that Jag.
That's a VW or something.
Yeah. The last one is BMW. No, it's not BMW. It's Merc.
No, never work.
So ayan, ito. Hinihintay namin yung magawa ng tires dito, guys. Guys, iaano siya. Ile-left yung car and then right after they're gonna take out the tires. So
yeah, there she is. Okay.
where is she?
Really teased me off, doesn't it? Yeah.
Ayan siya, guys. Ayan na.
Well, the brake pads like.
Is it, you gonna pay for this or the insurance?
Oh, I'll pay for it.
You pay for your own money?
Yeah.
Or just down to the insurance?
No, I have to pay.
Dito, guys, pag mag-drive ka talaga,
Here's your brake pad. Look,
where is the brake pad?
there it is. There.
Oh, that's why you
Yeah,
used to
I think
change
that's
every
long
year,
ago,
innit?
yeah.
Yeah. So, dito guys, pag may sasakyan ka, kailangan mo talagang i-insured lahat. You're gonna pay tax for everything. So, yan ang hitsura niya, guys, while they take the tires off at dinala doon sa shop para tanggalin daw yung nails na natusok. So, I couldn't get a chance to take a video there because it's their privacy and I'm really hesitate to take a video, so we're just waiting here outside and then I'm gonna show you when they put the tires back on. There he is. It's done. It's pretty much quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because they're using a machine to take off the rim. So it's very quick. Here is very high technology. They don't do manual. It's really good. That takes a long time.
Where would that be coming from, the gas?
Yeah, at this.
They've had this up about 10 times. They've replaced the whole pipe.
That's what I said to you, Glenda. I smell some gas, like a petrol.
Gas, yeah.
Where is it?
They've had it up about 10 times. They can never, they've replaced the whole pipe from the roundabout down to there to the other roundabout.
Yeah.
Still smells.
Still smoking.
Yeah, and it's.
Is this shop empty?
Yeah,
It's not coming out of there, is it?
no, they've checked all that. It's coming. It often smells strongest round near the post office there.
Yeah.
Is it quite dangerous, isn't it?
It is really, but
Yeah, because even this cold weather, you can still smell it, the gas.
yeah. To be
Yeah.
honest with you, like I say, they've probably had it up at least 10 times, this bit across here. It's a pain for us because they like close the whole section off, so it's a pain for us. We can't use these bays.
Yeah.
So we kind of give up reporting it now.
Well, strike a couple of matches, that I find it.
And it's not constant, it's only sometimes certain times a day.
Oh.
Right. To me, it smells like oil.
No, I told you, it smells like petrol. It's gas.
Yes, yeah.
There it is. It's done. It's
I
pretty
wonder
much
whether it's an
quick.
old pipe underneath, like the newer pipe, and they've never gone down that far to.
The old pipe won't be limestone, though, would it?
Shouldn't be, but I wonder whether it's getting in there for something maybe and creeping along. I don't know.
Never mind.
So here we are, guys. We're done. Tapos na. It's so really quick. And it costs 14 pounds 40 for that tires. Only one tire. So we're heading off to home now. So ayan. Ang lamig sa labas. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget like and share and subscribe with my new upload para ma-notif kayo sa mga bago kong upload. See you later and God bless. Merry Christmas everyone. Happy New Year.